Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nyambura and I make content on garden, home and lifestyle. So today I'm going to show you how to quickly assemble an avocado and cashew nut sandwich. I'm not big on bread, but this particular toasted sandwich is one of my favorites. So usually you could use a toaster to toast your bread, but I prefer to toast mine on the pan with some butter. So let's go toast the bread and come and assemble this toast. As I said, you could use a toaster to make your work faster, but I think I prefer my pan toasted bread. So usually I like to add some cheese, and I like my cheese to melt a bit, so I'm going to add it after turning the bread. The heat on the bread will melt it, but this cheese is the sandwich cheese, so just okay. So now we are ready to assemble our sandwich. What we have here is avocado. I put some lemon juice on it. Then we have cashew nuts, some tomatoes. You could add as many fillings as possible or as many fillings as you like. So I'm going to take my bread and then I'm going to add my avocado. Then I'm going to add some cashews. You could put some chili flakes on top if you like chili, but you could leave it to be as is. So that's our first way of assembling this sandwich. Then the second way is just to have bread without the cheese. Then you will put your avocado in there. Then you can add some tomatoes. And some cashews. Let's just put it there. You can also grind the cashews and use them as a batter, but I prefer to have them without grinding them. Then if you like, you can put another slice on top, or you can have So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed our quick sandwich assembly and our toast, and make sure to try these recipes. take photos and tag me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do. My handle is Nyambura Simiyu on Instagram and even on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember, if you have a vision, add some passion. And I'll see you in the next one.